So we're going to eat talaga, a face like Miss Pia Guanyo. Do you agree with me? Yeah. Okay. Good evening po. Medyo... Isasama na natin si Ma'am dito. Good evening po.
Hi, on behalf of iGadget and DC Workshop, we would like to greet you. Happy 10th year anniversary and happy birthday as well. And alam mo ate, alam mo yun, nakakala mo taray-taray na lang sa DC Workshop. Pero hindi nila alam na napakabait mo ka. Sheila and I are very happy to have you as a friend and also as a member of family. Miyembro ka na ng pamilya namin. And salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo. Alam mo yun, nandyan ka lagi sa tabi ko. And I'm very happy to have you as a very, very good friend, sister to me. Happy 10th year anniversary and happy birthday. Stay happy. I love you, ate.
Would you imagine, sa 10 taong yun, talagang ang daming nakilala at naging kaibigan ni Miss Chunchun. Kasama na po ako doon. Okay. Good evening po, ma'am. Dito po tayo. Very pretty engraved. Okay.
Hi, Chunchun. Happy 10th anniversary and advance happy birthday. More power.
Okay, we have another one to greet Miss Chunchun. Ayan. Ito ang kasama sa mga naging kaibigan at kaibigan pa rin ang ating minamahal na Miss Chunchun.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Happy 10 years anniversary. At lagi kami sumusuporta sa inyo.
Thank you so much. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayan, okay.
In behalf of the Saint Clair family, once naging sponsored ng show ni Miss Chunchun, would like to greet you happy 10th year anniversary. More power to you and to your show.
Okay, thank you very much. Sir, good evening po.
Good. Happy 10th anniversary and happy birthday. Sana tagal pa yung show.
Yan, maganda na may naririnig na mga wishes. Meron ako isang wish. May wish ako na hinihintay marinig doon sa ating mga